How to add token on Tonkeeper wallet. So here's a step-by-step guide. First, you need to obviously download and install Tonkeeper. So get it from the App Store or the Google Play Store if you're using Android. The second step will be accessing the Tonkeeper wallet. So you want to open up the app, and if it's your first time using the wallet, make sure you have your seed phrase or private key backed up. Then we will locate the token section. On the main screen, you will see your current assets, and you want to look for a section labeled something like manage token or add token at the bottom of the wallet settings menu. Then if we want to add the token manually, so if your token isn't automatically displayed, you will tap on add token or manage tokens and search for the token you want to add by its name or contract address. If the token is not listed, you may need to manually input the token's contact address, decimals and symbol, and to find the token's contract address, you can use a reliable blockchain explorer. Then we will confirm and save. So once you've added the token, verify the details and then click on add or save. The token should now appear in your asset list within the Tonkeeper wallet. If you want to receive tokens, then tap on it from the wallet's main screen, and you will find an address or QR code to receive the token, and you can share this address or QR code with anyone sending you tokens. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.